Stop! You have been eating apples the wrong way your entire life. Welcome back to Moonlight Food, where we transform your grocery list into a high-performance biological strategy. An apple a day keeps the doctor away isn't just a catchy rhyme, it's an ancient medical truth, but only if you stop peeling away the medicine. Most people treat the apple as a basic, crunchy snack, but by discarding the skin or eating them at the wrong temperature, you are throwing away a sophisticated biological filter that cleanses your arteries and protects your brain. To understand the true power of the apple, we have to look back at its origins in the mountains of Central Asia. This fruit was designed to be a high-altitude survival kit, concentrating a massive amount of protective flavonoids to survive the intense sun and wind. Flavonoids that act as a high-tech shield for your own cellular DNA. When we dive into the nutritional matrix of an apple, the results are a masterclass in plant chemistry. While it's famous for fiber, the real secret lies in two specific compounds, quercetin and pectin. Quercetin is a powerful superflavonoid that acts as a natural antihistamine and anti-inflammatory, while pectin is a unique soluble fiber that acts as a precision-tuned magnet, binding to heavy metals and bad LDL cholesterol in your gut and flushing them out. But the most incredible feature is the procyanidins found in the skin, which have been scientifically shown to improve cardiovascular health and even stimulate hair growth. When you eat an apple, you aren't just getting vitamins, you are providing your body with a targeted toolkit designed to sharpen your immunity and clear your complexion. The health benefits of this forbidden fruit are especially profound for your gut microbiome and your respiratory system. The pectin in apples act as a premium prebiotic fuel, feeding the specific beneficial bacteria that govern your immune system and mood. For your lungs, the high concentration of quercetin has been linked to improved lung function and a reduction in respiratory issues. Moreover, the polyphenols in apples work as a dual-action anti-inflammatory system that protects your skin's collagen from environmental damage. It is a complete internal renovation system, wrapped in a crisp package that keeps your body's internal systems running with peak precision. However, the reason I told you that you are eating it wrong is due to the peel mistake and the core truth. The skin of an apple contains up to 6 times more antioxidants and double the fiber of the flesh. If you peel your apple, you are throwing away the medicine and keeping only the sugar and water. To eat an apple right, you must consume the skin. Furthermore, many people ignore the area around the core. New research shows that the core and the seeds contain a massive amount of beneficial bacteria, nearly 100 million microbes per apple, that are essential for a diverse gut microbiome. Also, never store apples in the same bowl as leafy greens. They emit ethylene gas that will wilt your vegetables. Most importantly, eat your apples at room temperature. The cold of the refrigerator can dull the aromatic compounds and make the healthy flavonoids less bioavailable. Of course, even a DNA-protecting superfood like the apple requires some caution. Apples are frequently at the top of the dirty dozen list for pesticide residue because of their thin, edible skin. This makes them a non-negotiable buy organic item. If you can't buy organic, you must soak them in a mixture of water and baking soda for 15 minutes to remove surface toxins. Additionally, while the seeds are a probiotic goldmine, they do contain trace amounts of amygdalin. While you'd have to chew hundreds of seeds to be in danger, it's best to consume the fruit close to the core, but avoid swallowing a large volume of crushed seeds. Selecting a superior, nutrient-dense apple is a game of weight and stem. Avoid apples that look dull or have a waxy, artificial shine. Look for a vibrant, deep color. The darker the red, the higher the anthocyanin count. Give the apple a gentle squeeze. It should feel hard rock and heavy for its size, which indicates it's full of structured water and intact fiber. Most importantly, look at the stem. A high-potency apple should still have its stem, which should look fresh and brown, not shriveled and black. Once you have your perfect apples, storage is about moisture management. Keep them on your counter at room temperature if you plan to eat them within a week. If you have too many, move them to the refrigerator's crisper drawer, but keep them in a separate breathable bag. By choosing the most vibrant fruit and embracing the skin, you are turning a simple snack into a powerful cornerstone of your health strategy. Stop treating the apple as a boring fruit and start treating it as the arterial and brain-protecting miracle it truly is. Your heart, your gut, and your brain will thank you.